Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today let's see what message universe has for you inside your mind. Just ask anything that is going on in your mind. Just ask the guardian angel or your Ishtadev or universe. Keep repeating that question. Think about that confusion or the question, and let's see what universe has for you. Okay, 4 card came. Some way I feel that you have an intention of getting money. I mean that you want to be rich or financially stable, to reach to a state where you have financial freedom, financial stability, where you have enough money in your hand, and you have a planning to step into a fruitful era where you have money, you have all the necessities, kind of a Queen of Pentacles king. Queen of Pentacles means a very much rich money oriented era, very much stable ground you have. But that's, I can see that you have a dream of reaching there. You want to reach there, but for reaching that position you have to go through some steps. So I can feel that if you are in a job, especially in a corporate office or any kind of corporate job, universe is asking you to work with that team, to work with balance. Okay, this is the time for you. If you are a corporate girl, suddenly that corporate girl came in my mind, or corporate person right now. If you want to complete the project by yourself, if you want to do things by yourself only, universe is asking that to get the position of promotion or to get the notice by your boss and all, you have to work with team. Or if you have your own business, or if you are planning whatever the situation you are right now, universe is clearly asking you to work in a team, work with your teammates, plan things. This is not a time for you to work alone, to find alone, to go and get it alone. No, this is your time to discuss your planning, ask for help. If anyone is there who wanted to give you suggestion, I'm not talking about negative criticism. I'm very much against negative criticism, but if there is anyone who wants to give you any kind of suggestion, or anyone gave you already any suggestion and you ignored it, no. Listen that suggestion. You will apply that in your work or not, that is a second matter. But listen the suggestion carefully. If someone is observing your work, let them show the best in you. Okay? Or if you are already in a team, if you are in a project where you have multiple partners, don't ignore anyone. Don't ignore anyone's opinion about the work, not about you. Okay? Just if anyone is giving you any kind of constructive criticism, take it, analyze it. Okay, because this is your time to work in a group. Suppose you are looking, you want to start any business, or you want to start anything new, and if you need help from someone, ask that someone. If you need your friend's help, ask it. Don't do it alone. You don't need, because right now universe is clearly saying that your creativity, your power will increase when you associate with people, when you share with people, when you exchange your ideas, when you give value to others' opinion. Okay, so this is very much your time to get connected with people. And if you are very much introvert, I cannot say you to be an extrovert within a minute. But if you are introvert, you don't need to share your personal stories, but at least share work-related stories to your workmates. Okay, your creativity, your capacity will increase with others. Means when you are working in a team, when you are working together. Okay, I think I'm clearing this point. If you are, especially if you are in a corporate girl, or if you are working in a project, just make sure that you listen to others, and make sure that your opinion is, you give your opinion to others. Whenever it is time to share opinion, please be open to share your opinion to others. Okay, participate. Suppose you are a very introvert person, okay, and you don't feel like to share your own thoughts. You just follow the instructions and do this and that. But this is not a time to keep yourself shut. Share your stories to your friends. If you have any work related issues, or if you have any strong opinion, share it. Take a stand. Work with your friends. Friend, I mean work people. I'm not literally talking about friends. Because in work zone, no one is your friend. You should not take anyone as a best friend, or personally, you don't share anything with anyone. Okay. So this is a very clear message. This is not your time to work alone. Okay. And I can see that you have a very long-term vision. You are not someone who has a very like, okay, I will do this and this money and do this. No. You have a very long-term vision. I can feel that if you are a girl or a boy, you have like that ambition in your mind. Your ambition is quite related to money. And I can say this Three of Pentacles, first card, still it is about money. It starts with money and ends in money. Okay, it's a very good thing. Maybe you want financial stability, you want more financial freedom in your life, or currently you are working to save some money or earning money. So you want to reach from this position to this position. Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Very ambition, I can sense that. You have a deep ambition to live a very rich, luxurious life. Okay, a very rich girl era. If you want to wear some rich cosmetics, if you want to use Gucci, Prada, this kind of thing, it's okay. But if you are not into something that you want to show off, that you are rich, not everyone is into showing off that they have money. Still, you want to be that person when you know that you have enough. You feel secure. Okay, you have security. You have that financial freedom and stability. Something in your mind that is very much related to money, stability, ambition, rich. I can get a vibe of rich, luxurious life you are looking for. A life where you feel for yourself that yes, I achieved something that makes me the powerful one. Yes, money with power. You are definitely in your mind is manifesting something that is related to money and power. Okay. You feel that, of course, money has its own power, and you feel that your money that you will have in future will give you some kind of immense power, a queen kind of a power. Okay. A fruitful era. But for that, reaching that fruitful era that you are manifesting, or that the dream or the image you have in your subconscious mind, to success it, to make it a successful one, right now, wherever you are, you have to get out from your shell, from your comfort zone. You have to work. I can feel that if you are introvert, you have to talk to your friends, classmates, colleague. You have to share your opinion. You have to share your power. You have to share your qualities. Share your power means show your power. Power in the sense your skill. This is not time to hide. If you want to reach whatever you are thinking in your mind, this is time for you to stand a step for you. Okay, and I can feel that you also have an energy uh, of encouragement. If you have that a very deep passion, or but you hide it, like for the world, you are a quite mature person. You are a sorted person. You are doing things on the right terms, but in your mind or in your heart, you still have the child alive, that encouraged person, that encouragement in your heart. Okay, you have a dream, lots of dream. I can see a very young energy, a very, no matter whatever age you are right now, but your heart is very full of encouragement, full of charm, full of passion, full of dreams. You have some specific goal, somewhere to reach. You very deeply wanted to reach somewhere, some image, some manifestation, some goal you have in your mind. Okay, so universe is asking that if you have that passion, that courage, that childlike energy, very good. Keep it up. Or if you lack it, if some way you are lacking that encouragement, that passion, so universe asking it to bring it on. Or you have to create that passion towards your goal. Okay, if you are lacking the passion, then you have to be passionate right now. Okay, or do what makes you feel passionate about, because I can feel that wherever you are right now, from that place of present situation, to be there where you want to reach, you need passion. You need passion. Without passion, without encouragement, without inner happiness, you cannot reach to your goal. Because honestly, if you cannot feel happy where you are, if you are not feeling that charmed or encouragement in whatever you are doing, you will never be the best in the game. It's a very normal thing. If you want to achieve something in the game, then you have to be passionate about the thing. So if you have the passion, show the passion to the world, be more passionate, enjoy your passion, work according to your passion. And if some way you are lacking the passion, universe is asking you to bring it back, or to be passionate, or do what you are passionate about, because in your whole journey passion is playing a very big card. Okay, you have to feel that happy thing, that charming thing, or every day when you wake up you should feel good to do the work. Okay, so bring the passion in your work. And this card is another card, is a sad card. I can feel that to reach somewhere, if you have to go through some sleepless nights, some anxiety, some stress, because if your goal is to get something bigger, then surely you have to spend some restless night, some anxiety, some kind of, you have to take the stress. Because there was a proverb, I heard that the heavy, I forget that line, but it means that if you have to reach somewhere big, so you have to take the responsibilities. And whenever you are taking the responsibilities, whenever you are taking the thing seriously, you are working on the thing, you feel little tired, some sleepless nights, some conflict, something like that. You can see some restless nights will definitely you have to face. So that's a part of everyone's journey. So being anxious, being stressed, sometimes being really exhausted, it's a very natural thing. If someone who achieves something, they achieved it through their hard work. And hard work means you have to put you not only the physical work, you have to put your everything in it. So I cannot see that you will be very anxious or very stressed, but I can feel that, of course, if you dream big, then you have to sacrifice something. That's just the way of your journey. But whatever is necessary here is that you need your passion. You need to put your passion in your work very clearly to make the things work properly. Okay, that's all. I wish you all the best, and I can get a very, like, ambitious, go getter, bossy girl kind of a vibe, and a person who has a dream to achieve something, who has a dream to achieve something big in life, who has a dream to maybe going abroad or doing a world tour, kind of a powerful woman. If you can be a man too, I mean, a powerful energy I can vibing. As I saw the card Queen of Pentacles, I was saying a woman, but it not necessarily be a woman. It's a feeling, and I think you will do this. You will surely do this, whatever you are planning for, but you have to take it a very clear thing for present situation. Bring the passion, and if you are already passionate, universe is supporting you, and work with your colleagues. I mean that you need a teamwork right now. Okay, that's the message. Hope you like it and hope everything will be fine. And I wish you all the very best, and I know you will do this. Okay, bye bye, lovelies.